Hi everyone. Today we are continuing to learn exponents. So we learned about bases, powers, expanded and standard forms for different types of exponents. So today we are learning a few special cases in terms of exponents. So there are two main categories. So if we have numbers that have the power 0, okay? So for example, 9 to the power 0, or we say 125 to the power 0. So what does it mean? Okay, so there is a number, but it's not raised to a power. So it's 0. It's minutely small, right? Like it's so if we have 2 to the power 3, it means 2 being multiplied 3 times, right? But here we have 9 being multiplied 0 times. Okay, so we have the value as 1. Okay, so similarly we see, oh, 125 is such a big number. But so if there's a question, if we see, oh, it's such a big number, how will we calculate the exponent? But if you see, it's just to the power of 0, so we know the rule, it's always going to be 1. Okay, so we can say it's a special case. So if the exponent of a power is 0, then the answer will always be 1. Okay, and then the special case, the second one, is if anything is raised to the power 1. Okay, so this aligns more with what we've already been studying. Okay, so if we have, say, 15 to the power of 1, or say big number 415 to the power of 1. Okay, so this means 15 multiplied how many times? Just 1, right? So the answer is the number itself, so 15. Similarly, like for 415, how many times? Just 1 time, so it's the number itself. So it's safe to say the rule is, if the exponent of a power is 1, then the answer will always be the number itself. So always remember these two special cases. If anything's raised to the power 0, or if anything raised to the power 1, so we don't have to spend any time in doing all these multiplications. We can just remember these two special rules.